Which one is a cat? Which one is a plush? Which one is bread? Which one is book? Which one is tree? Which one is a hat? Which one is a sofa? Which one is a bike? Which one is a pencil? Which one is a spoon? Which one is a house? Which one is black car? Which one is juice? Which one is fruit? Which one is fast? Which one is fast? Which one? Each one is hot. Which one is sweet? Which one is sweet? Which one is soft? Which one is soft? Which one is soft? Which one is green? Which one is green? Which one is small? Which one is heavier? Which one has laces? Which one has laces? Which one has leaves? Which one has fur? Which one has pillow? Which one is pillow? Which one is sleeves? Which one wears a diaper? Which one has bad smell? Which one moves slow? Which one can use electricity? Which one can use electricity? Which one can be refrigerator? Which one is round?